Hey guys, my name is Sojo Beauty. Welcome back to my channel. That was so weird, I don't know what I did there. Today we're going to be trying out this Plouise palette. This is the Droplet of Magic palette, which I'm so excited about. I say that, it's a year, came out last year, and I'm only just getting around to trying it out because I don't know. I procrastinate, I think. I must do. I definitely do. So yeah, they came out with these last year at Halloween. There's two different ones. Let's have a quick look on the website. I'm 90% sure they're still available. Hopefully, anyway. Oh my god, I actually just love Plouise so much. Every time I go onto the website, there's something new that I want, and I'm like, damn it. Yes, so they came out with two. There was this one, which is a Droplet of Magic, and then there's also one called Hocus Pocus Regain Focus. They brought them out around this time last year for Halloween. You can also get them together in a little bundle for $130, so I feel like that's pretty cool. I don't have the other one. I really want to get it though. The Hocus Pocus one. Oh, they're just such pretty palettes. They're so cool. And yeah, so anyway, today we're just going to get into it. Let's have a look. So it is black. As you can obviously see, it's one of these double-sided palettes, and yeah, I'm super excited. If you know me, you know how much I love my blues and my greens, so this side to me is just oh, it's so cool. But yeah, so that's the first side. Just so cool, so kind of vampy and grungy and stuff. And then that is the second side. We have our reds and purples. So I'm really excited. The little stamps in here are just so cute. I was gonna do something black, something blue and a little bit black today. That's kind of the vibes I was thinking, which I'm a little bit nervous about. I haven't done my makeup in such a long time because I've been filming all of my Halloween videos. I haven't done actual eyeshadow in a while, and I'm nervous. We're just gonna get into it. It'll be okay. I'm gonna prime my eyes today with my Plouise base in Rumor 01. So yeah, my kind of vibes for today, I really want to use the blues. I'm kind of thinking of a full cut crease. That's the type of vibes that I was thinking for today. Or should we do a half? I'm just trying to mentally figure things out. No, I honestly actually think I'm going to go for a half cut crease instead. I've changed my mind. Anyway, the first shade I'm going to take is called Secret Potion. And I'm going to start by laying her down. I love myself a good blue, blue, green, absolute favourite shades of eyeshadow. Even though I feel I don't use them that much, because as much as I love them, they also scare me. Just because I feel they can either look so good or so bad. But yeah, I absolutely love them. There's nothing that quite tickles my brain like a blue and green eyeshadow palette. Oh, so cool, so pretty. I don't know if Plouise are going to do anything for Halloween this year. I feel I guess it's still a month away, but I feel normally people, I've already started seeing some Halloween releases and things like that. So there could still be something coming. They've been talking a lot about Christmas, and I feel this time last year they had already teased Halloween, so maybe they're just giving it a miss. I feel it's been a big year for them. They've come out with a lot of products, and I know that they're going ham for Christmas, so maybe they're just giving Halloween a miss. I don't know. Got something like that going on. That is such a pretty shade. The next colour I'm going into is called Phantom. It's same kind of vibes, but a little bit deeper. Just gonna start by putting that. Guys, my hands are hurting so much at the moment. I have had I don't even know what's happened. Since I've been back from my trip, I feel my body has just malfunctioned or something. I've had I've been sick. I've been unwell. I have got a bladder infection. Then the antibiotics that I was on for that were so strong that they completely wrecked me. Just took me out for a couple of days. And it kind of wasn't until I googled this side effects that I realized how many there were. I have been at the doctors and stuff because I've just got some like things like that, like they're okay. Like it's not like I'm, you know, in pain all the time or anything like that. But there's just some things about my body and some things about my health that just aren't right. And I've just kind of always avoided like going and like seeing someone or like getting to the bottom of it. I don't really know why. I think honestly one part of it is just because I couldn't be bothered, if I'm being completely brutally honest. But I think the other part is I also kind of get stressed about that type of stuff. So whenever there seems to be a problem, I like to push it away and not think about it too much. I'm just going back into our secret potion shade to just blend this out. But yeah, so I finally went to the doctor this week, got some blood tests, did some other tests, and I still need to do a few more. But yeah, I don't know, I've just been absolutely, the last 2 weeks have just been like, oh, so crazy. So I can't even remember where I was going on this tangent. Yeah, hopefully starting next week I feel a bit better. My nephews and stuff have been sick as well. Cade was sick, my mum's just gotten sick, so it's just been like, oh, we've all just been taken out. So okay, now we're going to go into this dark shade, and it's called Spell on You, and it's like this black, and I'm a bit scared, but it's like, it's not, it's like really close to black, but it's kind of like got like a greeny undertone as well, so it's like, but yeah, we've just been going through it, which honestly could not have come at a worse time, because I think October is probably one of the most stressful months for me. I am really trying to do 31 Days of Halloween. I have never been able to finish it before. So it's literally like my mission to get it done this year. And I'm really like, yeah, striving to get it done. So every day that, you know, I have to take off or whatever because I'm not feeling well, it's just like real stressful. And I'm also trying to post on YouTube every single day as well at the same time. So it's just like, I don't have time to get sick. Like, you know, I'll get sick in November, like that's fine, but not even December is this like stressful. So yeah, I feel like October is one of the worst times. But anyway, I'm making do. Haven't missed an upload yet. I don't have as many looks done as I would like. Ideally I would have liked to have, you know, well, in an ideal world it'd be nice to have them all done, but that wasn't going to happen because we obviously had our trip in September. But, you know, I would have liked to have half, but I'm nowhere near half, so that's scary. But that's okay. I honestly think that I can do it. I just need to put my mind to it. I'm dedicating this whole weekend to doing looks, and then I'm going to do the same for every weekend until the end, really. It is a little bit stressful. But yeah, I've just never done it before, so I just really, really want to complete it this year. It's like one of my personal goals, something that I've always wanted to do, and yeah. I'm really happy with some of the looks that I've done as well, and it's like such a nice feeling to, you know, spend time on something and then look at it and be like, wow, like I'm actually really proud of that. I'm hoping you guys will like them as well. Alright, I'm gonna go into that phantom colour just to blend out that dark colour. Yeah, if you guys have any looks that you would like to see for Halloween, leave them below. Okay, so I've got something like that going on. I just want to blend it out a bit more over this side. Like I feel like it's not as blended as I like. I'm gonna go back into Secret Potion, which is that very first shade that we used, and just kind of give everything a little buff. And then with a clean brush, I'm just going to go over all of it. I am going to take the black of the palette. It's called Black Magic. Just put that in the outer corner. Deepen things up a little. Just like so. Remember, I used to be so scared of black eyeshadow. Like, I feel like I still am to some degree. Like, it's very daunting, I think, because I feel like it can make things go south so quickly. But I feel like once you kind of use it, like, say once, I feel like, you know, once you start testing the waters, it becomes a lot easier to use. And I think kind of just knowing where to put it and having an idea before you put it down helps a lot. So, and even still, like, I feel like I'm still like a little bit hesitant to use it. Like I feel like I'm happy to use it in my outer corner and things like that, but anything past that is I'm like, Alright, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm going to cut the crease and then we'll be back. So I've cut the crease now, and I am just gonna go back into the Black Magic and I'm gonna mix it with the Spell on You shade and just use it to blend the edge of this. Okay, now it's time for a shimmer, which is exciting. There's some really, really beautiful ones in here. This is called 13. Stunning, but probably not the vibe for today. There's that one as well. That's called Trick or Treat. We have Coven. That is so stunning. I love a good Plouise shimmer. They're so nice. I honestly feel like we're probably going to go for like a more silvery shade though today. That's really cool as well. That's a green. That's called Web of Lies. That almost looks like a duochrome. I think it is. There's this purpley kind of shade, but I'm leaning more towards something like this. So this one here is called Dead End, and I think that's going to be what I'm going to take today. And then the last one we have over this side is called Witch's Brew, which I feel like will be a bit of an inner corner for today. And then they've got some really pretty ones on the other side as well, but I don't think any that will really match with today. This one's stunning. This is called Slay the Game. It's like a peachy shade. Stir the pot. How pretty is that? That purple. And then there's Cursed. Oh, they're all just so pretty, honestly. I love a good Plouise shimmer. Oh my god, my hand. Look at that. So yeah, I'm probably going to go for that Dead End shade. It's like a silver, but it's got like a bit of like a bluey reflect in it. So let's put her on. Oh, stunning. Gonna leave a little spot in the inner corner so we can put the Witch's Brew shade on. I wish that it had a little bit more like base pigment. Like, it's really pretty, but I wish it just popped just the tiniest bit more. I feel like it looks better over this side, so maybe I just wasn't putting it enough on. Stunning! And then I'm gonna go into Witch's Brew, which is that really bright shimmery shade. And that is stunning as well. So cute. I'm not going to do liner today because I've already got all the black going on like on the outside. So I am going to go put lashes and stuff on. I'm also trying out like a foundation today. So I'm going to go do all of that like in a separate video and then I will be back. Okay. This is the finished look. Let me zoom it in. So these are the eyes. I'm honestly so happy with how they turned out. I think they're super pretty. Like I do really like them. They are really cute. And yeah, I mean you guys already know I love my Plouise shadows. I think this palette is so pretty. I love the colour story of it. This is my favourite colour story out of the two, but I still do want to try out the other one. I love the packaging. I just think it's so cool and so nice, and we get such a great variety of shades in here. And I feel like they're perfect for this time of the year, you know, doing all the spooky stuff. But also I feel like there's shades in here that you can use, you know, year round as well. Obviously they're a little bit more out there, but you're not buying this palette expecting a neutral palette, you know what I mean? So yeah, I do really enjoy it. Let me know down below if you've tried this palette. Let me know what you think of this look. Just sound off down below in the comments. I want to know what you guys are thinking. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!